Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Brother DCP-T830DW printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, we check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy to check it. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. Wait for a few seconds and scroll down, and here we find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. Go to any web browser that you like. I am going to the Google Chrome. In a search, type Brother DCP-T830DW printer driver and hit enter key on our keyboard. First link is from the support.brother.com official website of the Brother printer. Here we find downloads, and here we find our printer model number or printer name. Open that link. Open the first link. Here we find OS. OS means operating system. Here select Windows. In a select OS version, operating system version, select Windows 10 32-bit if machine is 32-bit. If Windows 10 64-bit, then select Windows 10 64-bit. Click on the OK. It's redirect you to the another web page. Here we find full software package. Download this, or go to the drivers and select this printer driver and scanner driver for USB. I click on these drivers, and here we find printer driver and scanner driver for USB. Click on that. It's redirect you to the another web page. At the bottom we find agree to the download. Click on that. It's redirect to another web page, and at the top our download is started. It's complete in a few seconds. Here we find downloads. Click on show in folder, minimize it, drag this setup file to desktop, close it. Here we find our setup file, and this setup file is actually a zip file, and we are going to unzip it. There are two ways to unzip it. Double click on it or right click on it and click on run as administrator. Wait for a few seconds, click on the yes, and unzip process start. It takes few seconds, and after that here we find successful message. Click on OK, and on bottom and on our PC we find newly extracted folder name GDI. Double click on it, and here we find the drivers. Close it. Next step is install it. Go to the start, type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner, at the top we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner. Wait for a few seconds, and new options are pop up on our screen. New options are the printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that. Wait for a few seconds, close it. Here we find add a printer. In add a printer, go to the last option, add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select last option, click on the next. In an existing port, click at here, and if you find any port name USB, USB 001, USB 002, USB 003, USB 004, select any port name USB and click on the next. Click on hard disk, go to the browse, click on the desktop, go to our folder, newly extracted folder or unzip folder, double click on it. Here we find some files. Select any file. All file contains same printer driver. Select any file from this list, select it, click on open, click on OK. Here we find mini printers. Select the printer Brother DCP-T830DW printer. Select that printer, click on the next. Give any name that you like. I go with the same name. You can change this name also. I go with the Brother DCP-T830DW printer and click on the next. It's install our printer in a few seconds, so be patient and wait for a few seconds to properly install this printer. Our printer is installed. If you want to share this printer in a network, then last option. I don't, so I select do not share this printer, first option. Click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a print a test page or click on a finish. Next step is check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to the start, type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printer list, if you find your printer name Brother DCP-T830DW printer, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.